Good day all. So today I'm going to be showing us how to deploy a website, maybe the one you built with your HTML, CSS, JavaScript on GitHub. So the reason why you might need this is you might want to share a link to your work for someone to check, or maybe you want to apply for a job and then you want to show that you've done something. So this skill is needed if you don't know it before. So this is the folder for my website. I have my CSS files. I use Bootstrap. I have my images. I have my JS. Then I have two pages, which is the edit service and then the index file. The index file is very important if you are publishing anything on GitHub. So it's going to look out for this most especially. And then you have to save this with your with .html. It has to be an HTML file. So I'm going to open this to show us the site that I have created. It's a simple one, just a sample right there. Okay, so this is the website. It's just a simple one. Yeah. So this is what I want. If you check the URL here, I can't share this with another person. It has to be viewed on the laptop that has all the folders, the CSS, the images, the HTML files and all. But okay, so moving on. Yeah, this is the second page, which is just another sample. Yeah, so nothing serious, just a sample site. So what I will do next is to go to GitHub, which I've already opened here. Go to github.com. And then if you don't have accounts, you have to sign up. If you do, then sign in. So I'm going to sign in right now into my account. Okay, so right now I've logged in. I could click here to create a new repository, or then I click here. So whichever method you want to use. Now you put the name of the repository here. So maybe I'll just say my sample. Okay, so the name is available. You can put a brief description, which is not compulsory. And also make sure that this is public. Make it public, not private. So that wherever you share your link, anyone can have access to it. Now I'll click on create. Yeah, you're right here. So I'll go right into my folder, my project folder on my laptop, which is what I showed us earlier. Then I'll right click, and then you have to have your Git installed on your laptop to do this. So I'll click on Git bash here, so I can upload from my terminal. Right, so copy my code here. I copy here, so you can notice the change here. It doesn't have to be, then it's there. So let me check first and see Git status. Okay, so this will bring the things that have not been committed. You can see it's showing that there is no commits now. So these are the files that needs to be committed, the CSS folder, the edit service, and all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and add this. So I'm going to commit these changes. So this is just whatever name you want to give to so you can put something that shows what current changes you have made. I'll just leave that as it is. So it created all the files that I have in my folders. So the next thing to do is to so let's access a branch. Call this master. Now I'm going to push my code here. I mean this. So this is going to request me to log in. So my username is this here is my username. I'm going to copy that and then add it here. Okay. It should also request for my password. Okay, so it's uploading my file to that particular origin or to that URL that you can see there. Alright, I think we are done. So let's check to see if this was successfully deployed. So you go to settings. right there. So you go to GitHub pages. You can see it's designed to host your personal organization or project pages from a GitHub repository. That's how that works. So here you are going to choose what branch. If you remember, we actually pushed this to master. So I select master and then click on save. So you scroll right back. It should have generated a URL for you. Yep. So I think this works fine and perfect. So the same thing we have on our local machine, we have it now hosted on GitHub. So I can share this link anywhere and then they'll be able to access my page here. So thank you very much. If you have any question, kindly drop it at the comment section. Make sure you like.